Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the numeric column is formatted as number and that there are no stray text entries. Once done, copy the column to a backup sheet so you can restore data if needed. Next, select the exact range or whole column that contains numbers. Do not include headers. You're ready to begin the removal steps. This prevents accidental deletion and ensures Excel functions treat values as numbers rather than text during the deduplication process. You can use data remove duplicates for the fastest result. Choose the column, confirm, and Excel deletes duplicate rows. If you need non-destructive options, use unique to create a filtered list of distinct numbers or add a helper column with countif, range, value to mark duplicates for review. Once you've applied a method, sort or filter the sheet to inspect which entries are being removed so you don't lose important related data in other columns. Finish by validating totals. Compare the count of original numbers to the cleaned set so you know how many duplicates were removed. Make sure to save the cleaned sheet as a new file or overwrite only after verification. If results look wrong, restore your backup and try again using the helper countif or trim and value to fix text-formatted numbers. One troubleshooting tip: if duplicates persist, check for hidden spaces or different formats. Converting to number and rerunning deduplication usually resolves it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.